estimate for Environment Ministry lowest in 3 years. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Science and Technology, chaired by Rajya Sabha member Jairam Ramesh, on Saturday tabled its report on demand for grant of the ministry. In the report, the committee said that the government reduced its 2020-21 budgetary allocation for the ministry by 35% in its revised estimate due to adverse effects of COVID-19 pandemic, which resulted in non-release of funds in all proposed activities mentioned in the annual plan of operation of various schemes. The ministry has been able to spend 83% of its revised estimate allocation until January this year. The committee said that budget estimates for the Environment Ministry is the lowest in the last 3 years and that the ministry requires additional fund of rupees 900 crore to carry out its programs. To control pollution, one of the main thrusts of the Environment Ministry in the coming year, the committee has recommended that a central mechanism be set up to monitor all central and state agencies in implementation of all projects to ensure accountability and monitor the works. Control of pollution projects are carried out by different agencies at center and by state governments, and this activity needs to be streamlined, the committee has observed. The House panel has also recommended capacity building exercises to be undertaken at the municipal level to ensure proper implementation of the National Clean Air Program. Taking note of man-animal conflict that has been on the rise, the committee has suggested that the Environment Ministry needs to prioritize minimizing such conflicts. It has expressed concern over the low expenditure in research and development in conservation and development. It stated that the ministry spent 16.3%, 35.8% and 23.5% of its allocation amount in the last 3 years. The committee has also raised the need for monitoring plantation drive and Campa funds for afforestation.